welcome to the channel. So we got these really nice air fenders in that we bought, and the only problem is there's a lot of damage on this passenger side one through here, obviously where someone along the way cut it, probably to access like the exhaust manifold or something like that, maybe a front end component. But it was hit a number of times. There's a kink through here. There's another dent through here, and I'm not certain we can fix this, but we're going to have a look at it and see if we can get it straightened out enough that it can actually go into the car. The other bonus, I guess, is that we have the original fender still, and this whole area where the nice one is damaged is all completely intact. I mean, it's got a bunch of rot where the battery area is and along the bottom, of course, where the fender meets it, but the section that is in poor condition on this one is actually all good. So the thought is, if we can't hammer out the good one and get this welded and make it look pristine like we hope it will, that we will just cut out the good section of our original one and weld it into here. And that may be the alternative, but figure after all the videos I've watched online of metal reshaping, before we get to the point of cutting this out, actually we'll take a stab at seeing if it could be fixed up. But well, we'll see what I learned from Carter and Scott, because I honestly have done very little of this stuff in my time as a mechanic. So we're gonna give it a shot. We'll get her all cleaned up and see if we can get her kind of straightened out a little bit. Alexa, pause. So we'll call this round 1 on this. There's still this area here that's it was kind of tough to get it smooth. I don't necessarily know how to do this, but I did figure secured was easier to work with where all this was cut away, and it definitely helped. Just needs a little more work around this area, and I think there's a kind of a kink here that's keeping this just from coming out and staying a little further. When you compare the shape of that one to this, so got a little ways to go. I think I'm going to call this inner fender round 1, and I'll work on getting a little further on this. Not quite outside the realm of needing a bit of filler. Carter would have it so you couldn't see anything, but again, when you don't know what you're doing, you got to kind of work your way through it. So that's part 1. Probably bring it back and finish it as part 2. Thanks for watching.